to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing, like and share this video. And if ever you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much and welcome back. In this video I will be doing my eyebrows, as you can see, using an eyebrow pencil.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
And if you can notice, I don't fill in until here. Here I leave it like as natural as it is. I just fill in here.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
I'm now done, so the next step is for me to clean my eyebrow. I don't know if you can see, it's not perfect, so I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal.
To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay, now we're done. I'm done with my eyebrows, so I'm just going to take this, and remember that I didn't start here, and I'm going to like blend all this together. My setting powder is here. Okay guys, so these are the final results.